Hi guys, it's Abhay here from Pixelo. So, if you're a regular GitHub CLI user, you must have noticed this error that you're getting recently, where it says that the username password that you used to use all this while to perform all your Git CLI operations, well, those aren't working anymore, and you need a new access token. So, that's really easy to get. All you need to do is go to your browser, open github.com as I'm doing here, and go to the top right corner on your profile picture and click on settings. And now on the left you need to scroll down to developer settings. Once you do this, you need to click on personal access tokens, and then we need to generate a personal access token for us. So I'm just going to click on generate new token. In this box you can literally write anything you want, it doesn't matter. After this you need to select a duration for this access token, basically how long do you want this access token to be active. So after that specific amount of time, this access token will no longer work. And the permissions that you want to embed inside this token, so again it's up to you. I'm just selecting everything for now, and then I click on create token. Once I've done this, you can see it has created a token for us. So basically what we have to do now is replace this token with the password in our Git configurations, right? So basically whenever we want to do any Git operations, instead of using the password that we used to use before, we need to use this token. So all I'm doing is I'm copying the token, and if you're on a Mac, it's really simple to do this. I'm even going to show you how to do this on a Windows machine. So all I did is I opened keychain, and then I need to look for GitHub on my keychain. You see I found it there. So all I need to do is I need to click on it, and this will open a small pop-up, and after that I need to click on show password. This will ask me for my system password, which I'm just going to enter quickly. And after this you can see the current GitHub password is there. So I'm just going to replace this with the access token that we just created. You might not be able to see the whole access token, but just take your cursor to the left and you'll see the whole access token once you pasted it. Or just make your box bigger, and finally click on save changes. And that's it, that's literally it. And now if you open your terminal and if you try to run the same commands again, it should work. There you go. So now on Windows, the procedure is pretty much the same. Once you've created the access tokens and stuff, all you need to do is go to start, type in credentials manager, and open this. Now you go to Windows credentials, and again find for github.com. There you go, just open the arrow, and now we need to edit the password field that we have. So basically what we want to do is change the password that Windows credentials has with the new access token that we just got. So I'm just going to edit this. So this is my old password. I'm going to paste in the access token that I just created, and then I click on save. That's it. Now my CLI should be working fine with Git. Let me just test it. There you go. So everything's working just fine. I've gone past the error. Thank you guys. Have a good day.